your new mattress. I was already Nathan's. Oh, sure, I get the calling part. Oh, she's standing. Look, and running away from me. Is this Lily's first time on a trampoline?
Nope.
Lily! Lily, come on! Lily, look! Whee! Whee! Yeah, this is about to snap. I can see all these
It's
stretching.
not gonna snap.
If it does, I'm running over here. I don't want spring lifts on my back. She's like, these are my first steps on Jello.
You okay?
Davin used to laugh so hard when we did this to him. Or was it crying? She abandoned me.
Yeah.